Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today we're making mango avocado salsa. I first came up with this recipe on a trip to Monterey with friends. We went into the grocery store, saw that mango was on sale and avocado was on sale, and I thought to myself, what can I do with these two ingredients? I came up with Shrimp Scampi Tacos with mango avocado salsa, which is also in my cookbook. We're not making the shrimp, but we're making the mango avocado today. Okay, so we have these mini avocados that I picked up from the Asian market. If you're gonna make this at home, I would recommend 2 large avocados. We're just gonna cube it, cut horizontal and vertical, and we're gonna scoop it out. So this is how I like to cut mango. I cut the meaty sides first, and then the small sides. And just like we did with the avocado, we're gonna do like a crisscross because we want cubed mango. Okay, I'm gonna try not to cry cutting this onion. Almost done, we just need our lime and cilantro. And some black pepper. I'm just gonna mix this together. I'm trying not to spill it. There you have it. This is great with shrimp tacos, chicken tacos, steak tacos, or you could just have it on the side with some tortilla chips. If you like this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com.